Hello, my name is Mohanis. Today I am going to show you how to make a good button in Scratch. So first we need to choose a print and click paint. Then we're going to call it button or start button, or then just call it button. Good. Next call the costume button. Good. Next zoom in a little bit. Then go to the circle. Then go to rectangle tool. And then change the fill color to anything you want. I'm going to choose a white color for the fill. You can choose anything you want. And then I'll make the outline color a bluish color. So I will change the color to 55, 56, 55. And then by saturation 100, brightness 100. And then I'll make the outline 10. And actually I need to change the color again, so I'll do that. Good. Next, I will just instead I'll make a line. And then a line, actually the line will have an outline of 58. And then again I'll change the color. Like this. Good. Next, I will go to line tool to make the line. Next, I will hold shift while so I can make it like this. So it should look something like this first. Good. Next, go to the text section. Then make the fill color white so that you can see it clearly. Now choose the font of Sanchez Serif. Now type Play. Play. Good. And then make it bigger. The select tool. Select it and make it bigger. Good. And then center it like this. And then also get the button and center it. So, and then I'll just make the text go up a little bit so it looks good. Good. Next, we can see that it's saving the edges and we don't want that when you go to full screen a little bit. So what we're going to do to prevent that is go to the rectangle tool and then make the fill. Click on this line tool to make it blank. And the outline we will make it black just for now. And then we will make it 8. And then like this. And then what we will do is we will make a rectangle going all around the play button. Then center that also. And then we'll change back to line. So now you can see there are no glitches in the drawing. Good. Now we have to code the button. So to the code tab, grab a when green flag click block and forever loop under it. Like this. Then grab a if then else block and then go to sensing and grab a touching mouse pointer. Good. Inside that part, in the loop section, find the set size to block and then go to operators and then grab a plus operator and then go to looks and then find the size operator in the end and then plap it inside one side like this. Good. Then go to operators again and then find the minus size and then you change this side to 200 or actually I will do 125 minus to right click on the size operator and then click duplicate. So I have another version of the size. Just plug it inside the other side of the minus operator. And you can divide this entire thing by 8. And then this one you will put inside the plus operator. So it should be looking like this. Next, I will right click on this clock and then click duplicate. And then I will change this to 100. What this script of code will do that? So like this part will find a distance between the current value and the expected value, which is in this case 125. And then it will just divide that by 8 so like it gets slower and slower until it looks smooth when you do that. And then you'll just put 100 minus size, but the sign is currently 100. 100 minus 100 is 0, so I'll just go back to its original size. Good. And next, we can just try this out and what you should be seeing is like this. What I have here. Let's just quickly grab a go to block and set the X to 0 y0. So it comes like this. Good. Next, we will code in so like it goes up and down and up and down. To do that, go to the motion category and then grab the set y2 block and snap it in the end of the script like this. And then go to operator, then grab the ABSF block and then change that to cosine. And go to operator again and grab the plus operator, 0 plus, and then put the cosine right here inside it. Good. Then go to the sensing and then grab this timer block. Okay, next we will just grab a minus operator and minus this by 5. Now we will grab a multiplication operator and put it like this. We'll multiply this by 200. And then we'll put this inside the cosine of block. And then we'll multiply this entire thing by 8 like this. And then if we put that inside the set y2 block, it should be looking like this. You can see that it's going up and down and it's working like this. So next, let's make it like wiggly around so like it looks something. So we're going to go to the motion and grab the point and direction block and put it right after. Then just duplicate the script since we're going to make something very similar. Instead, just change this to 90 and then if you like put this inside, it should not be working. But we will instead put 90 plus we'll get a plus operator and then we will put 90 plus the cosine of timer times 300. So go to operators and then put get the ABS block and change this to cosine. Then grab the timer block and subtract 2.8 and then multiply this by 200. And then you will multiply this entire thing by 5. And then you will put this inside the plus operator. So it should be looking something like this. Good. So next, let's make it like so that it like changes the color step. For this, we'll need a variable called speed. SPEED for all sprites, and then hide it. And then grab a when green flag click block, and then a point, and then you will set the speed to 0, and then inside forever loop, you will just duplicate this script, but you want to change this to get the color effect. Change the color effect by this algorithm, but instead we're going to change something. Instead of this timer block, we will put speed, and then you will change the speed by be careful here. 0.00055858. And then if you try this out, it will look like this. And like this. And then if you want, we can just add and then I'll just teach you how to make it this will start the game. So grab a use statement right inside the stretching mouse pointer and then put this script right after like this. So we look at like this. And then we'll grab a mouse down operator and then we will then we'll broadcast a certain message called start game or start, and then for all the other sprites in your game we'll do when green flag hide, and when I receive whatever message you get, you'll just show, and then you can do all the actions when I receive instead of when green flag clicked. And then that's how you'd basically do it. Bye, I hope. Bye. I'll see you later with another video.